Here we are again, Trading HT, analyzing the markets together.
Let's go. Welcome again, guys, to Trading HT Show. Read the disclaimer below and let us know in the comments how have you been this last month. What stocks are you trading? What do you find interesting in the market? So we can comment them with you in the next videos. Let's start with Mullen Automotive.
So very interesting, we are watching right now the daily chart. We can clearly see this double rebound here acting as a support level at 0.39. So the key question here is, will the stock go up again?
Yeah, that's a very good question that you can answer below. And also, if you think that this price right here, this yellow line that we have around this level, do you think the price will break this level and will continue higher? Or as Alvaro mentioned, do you think that the price could go lower from this level of 0.38? I think these levels are very interesting to look this next week.
Okay, so watching the 1 hour chart, we can clearly see the second downtrend right here, the acting, the white line that we're watching right now. We can clearly see the breakout right here happening, and there seems some sort of a channel right now. I don't know if you agree with me, but at least this is what it seems at right now. And the price, is like small rebounds right here, and I'm very interested in this news that we're gonna read later.
Yeah, exactly. We have this kind of channel. You can also share with us in the comments what technical patterns do you trade, because we're always happy to learn what our subscribers trade. What do you personally like to use? And this seems like that kind of formation. So we can watch it with more detail in the 15-minute chart. And let's take a look also at this indicator that we have right here. This is called the anchored volume profile. I think it's the name, Alvaro, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, auto anchor volume profile.
Yeah, exactly. Auto, because it calculates like the data that you put into it automatically. This is a very interesting indicator that you can use with TradingView. We have a link in the description below with a discount for you, affiliate link, of course. And right here you can see that the price where the most volume is right now 0.45 in the 15-minute levels. So do you think this is a very important level? Let us know in the comments. And in the 1 hour chart, we have the same level marked right here at 0.59. That's where the price has the most volume according to this kind of indicator that I find very, very interesting.
Yeah, and actually we go to the 1 hour chart. It's like it adjusts itself, to that trend. And the trend that started back in August 23rd. So in this particular area, 0.60 is the area to watch, we near the resistance level, the yellow resistance level that we have. So very interesting, these levels. Normally they act as a resistance, a very important level, and the price tend to be rejected at that particular point.
Yeah, it's like a level where there is a lot of volume, as we can clearly see with the data right here. So of course, we will see price action if the price finally reaches those levels that we never know. So let us know in the comments if you think the price will go to that level or will go lower right now. And let's comment that kind of news that we were talking about a few moments later.
Yeah, very interesting. Enrique is gonna read one of the articles that they recently published about what Mullen has been doing recently.
Exactly. We have the headlines right here. We have investor plays, Mullen stock alert, Mullen acquires battery assets from Romeo Power. We also have empty news wires, the same kind of new. The assets were bought for about $3.5 million. And then Reuters yesterday also, they acquired those battery pack productions. And we also have some news that Mullen published today. We watched them on Twitter. You can check their profile later. They purchased, I think they acquired the whole company. If I'm not mistaken, let us know in the comments if that's the information that you also have. But I think this is a very, interesting news that will affect the market right now.
And what do you think about that? The key question here is like, is this enough, to rebound the stock? There are some projections about $15. I don't know if it's gonna happen or not, but at least, do you think is it enough? It's enough what they're gonna do with this?
Exactly, that's a very good question that you have to ask yourself. Because we have been watching this Mullen stock, in the past with those stock splits, with all that kind of news, and at the end of the day, you have to take your own decisions based on your trading plan, because the news are always subjective. Okay, my opinion, a good can seem very good, and at the end of the day, the price can go lower, and a piece of news that can seem very good can make the price go lower if the investor decides to do so. So I think it's very interesting to know your opinion. below, because we can see in that kind of matter what are the general perspective, at least of our audience, of this stock. So do you think Mullen will go up or will go lower, and some reasons? We will find that amazing, guys.
We'll read some of the best comments later in the next video. Thank you very much.
Welcome, Trading HT. Have fun, have a nice week, take care. Thank you, love you.